What's the meaning of corral? Corral. Corral.
Corral. Corral. Corral refers to an enclosure used for confining livestock, typically horses or cattle. It is usually made of wood or metal and may have an open or closed design. Corrals are commonly found on ranches or farms and are used for various purposes such as feeding, branding, or sorting animals. The main goal of a corral is to keep the animals in one place and prevent them from wandering off or getting lost. Overall, a corral is an essential tool for managing and maintaining livestock on a farm or ranch.